Your smartphone gimbal has been good, but it's been missing something. Today, that changed. DJI just released the Osmo Mobile 8, and this isn't just another gimbal upgrade. This is the first gimbal on planet that can automatically track your pet, your dog, your cat, your entire life's most precious moments, all while rotating a full 360 degrees. No limits, no boundaries, just pure creative freedom. If you've ever tried to film your pet running around, you know the nightmare. Your phone jerks around. You miss the moment. The footage is unusable. But now your gimbal thinks like you. It sees what you want to capture, and it follows, automatically, perfectly. While you focus on being present, on playing with your pet, on creating memories, not struggling with a camera. Creators have been asking for this for years. Pet tracking on phone gimbals? Impossible, they said. Too complex, too expensive. But DJI listened, and they delivered. The Osmo Mobile 8 combines revolutionary AI pet tracking with unlimited 360-degree rotation. It's the setup every content creator with a pet has been dreaming about. In this video, I'm showing you everything. Unboxing, complete hardware setup, app configuration, how to activate the pet tracking AI, how to use the 360-degree rotation for Hollywood-level shots, and exactly why this gimbal changes everything for creators like us. Stay with me.
So, let's unbox this thing. Right here, fresh out of the box. The first thing you notice is the weight distribution. This gimbal feels premium, balanced, heavy enough to feel solid, light enough to be portable. That's the engineering. Inside the box, you get the gimbal itself, the smartphone clamp with quick-release mechanism, the multifunctional module. This is the game changer. LED fill light built in, wireless microphone receiver built in. All of this integrated into one piece. No extra attachments, no clutter. Then, you've got the charging dock, USB-C charging, wireless charging capability for the multifunctional module, the extension rod for wider shots and better stability, phone clamp adapters for different phone sizes, and the complete DJI Mimo app guide on the quick start card. What you're looking at here is simplicity disguised as sophistication. Every single component serves a purpose. There's no bloat, no unnecessary extras you'll never use. Just the essentials, engineered perfectly. And the best part? Everything you need is right here. No additional purchases required to get started. You can grab the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 right now on Amazon. Available in India at 13,990 rupees. International link in the description. Full unboxing complete. Now let's move to the actual setup.
Alright, let's get this gimbal actually ready to use. First step, the smartphone clamp. See how it opens? That's the quick release mechanism. Place your phone in the center, horizontal orientation. Make sure the gimbal's center of gravity stays balanced. That's the key. Balance equals smooth footage. Tighten these two side screws. Not too tight. Snug. You want the phone secure but not crushed. There's a sweet spot. Once it's locked, attach the clamp to the gimbal's top. See that magnetic quick release? Click. It's in. That's secure. Your phone is now mechanically locked and won't shift during filming. Now attach the multifunctional module. This goes right here, on the side. Twist and lock. You just activated the LED fill light. You just enabled wireless microphone input. You just created a complete filmmaking tool. This single piece of hardware transformed a simple gimbal into a studio. Before we power on, we need to balance the gimbal. Hold it steady. Check the gimbal's horizontal balance. If your phone is too far forward, the gimbal will work harder, drain battery faster, and produce jittery footage. Adjust the clamp position slightly backward until the gimbal feels perfectly balanced in your hand. You'll feel it. That's the sweet spot. Press and hold the power button. 3 seconds. Watch the LED indicators light up. White light means ready. Gimbal is initializing. Self-calibrating. Taking about 30 seconds. This is normal. Don't interrupt it. It's learning your phone's exact weight and dimensions. Once you see the steady white light, you're ready to film. Hardware setup complete.
But wait, there's more. The Osmo Mobile 8 does something no other smartphone gimbal can do. Unlimited 360-degree rotation. No mechanical limits, no stopping points, just infinite creative freedom. Previous gimbals maxed out at 222 degrees. You hit a wall, literally. But this gimbal, it keeps spinning, forever. Watch this. I'm creating an orbit shot. The gimbal rotates while my dog stays perfectly centered. The camera circles around her. One continuous motion. No cuts, no repositioning. This is Hollywood cinematography. Studios pay thousands for crane operators to do what this gimbal does automatically. You're creating that caliber of footage on your phone. Now watch a 360-degree panoramic sweep. The gimbal rotates the full circle, capturing everything around the subject, her environment, the location, the context, all in one smooth, unbroken motion. This is the shot that shows where the memory happened. Not just who's in it, but where they were, what surrounded them, the complete story. Here's something filmmakers love: creative transitions. Start with the gimbal pointing one direction, subject in frame. Now rotate 360 degrees. When we edit this footage, we can cut at any point in the rotation. The camera moves continuously through the scene. No traditional cuts needed. The gimbal's rotation becomes the transition itself. Professional, seamless, unexpected. These shots are impossible without 360-degree rotation. Orbit around a subject, complete panoramic views, dynamic transitions. Impossible handheld. Impossible with manual panning. Impossible with limited rotation gimbals. Only possible with unlimited rotation. This is what separates the Osmo Mobile 8 from every other gimbal on the market. This is your creative advantage.
Hardware is ready. Now we activate the intelligence. Open the DJI Mimo app. If you don't have it, download it. It's free. Search for DJI Mimo in your app store. Install it. Open it. You'll see the gimbal connection screen. Your gimbal is searching for your phone. Your phone is searching for your gimbal. They're about to become a team. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Turn on Bluetooth. The gimbal will appear in your available devices. Tap it. Connect. You'll see the confirmation. Connected. Now, go back to the DJI Mimo app. Tap Connect Gimbal. Wait 3 seconds. The app recognizes your gimbal. They're talking to each other now. This is where the magic starts. In the app, navigate to Settings. Look for tracking modes. You'll see 3 options: person tracking, hand tracking, and pet tracking. That's it. Pet tracking. Tap it. Enable it. Your gimbal just became a pet-following machine. From this moment on, when you point the gimbal at your dog or cat, it sees them, understands their movement, and follows automatically. No manual panning required. Scroll down in Settings. Find Gesture Control. Enable it. Now your gimbal recognizes hand signals. Palm-facing gimbal. Start recording. V sign with your fingers. Stop recording. Double thumbs up. Zoom in. This is hands-free filmmaking. You don't touch your phone. You don't touch the gimbal. Just your hand signals. The gimbal understands and obeys. Now test it. Tap the Control tab in the app. You'll see a virtual joystick. Move it. Watch your gimbal respond. Smooth, responsive, fast. This is what 30 seconds of self-calibration created. A gimbal that knows your phone's exact weight and how to balance it perfectly. Tap the home button. The gimbal centers. Tap record. The gimbal stabilizes. You're now ready to film with AI pet tracking, gesture control, and professional stabilization. App setup complete. Setup. Now let's see this AI actually work. Watch what happens when I point the gimbal at my dog. The gimbal sees her, locks onto her, and starts tracking. No manual input from me, no joystick control, just pure AI doing what it was designed to do. Follow the pet. See how she's running? Moving fast, unpredictable, left, right, backward. The gimbal doesn't miss a beat. It's following every single movement. Smooth, fluid, perfect framing. She's always in the center of the shot, always in focus. The gimbal is thinking faster than she's moving. This is what real-time AI tracking looks like. This is the moment that would have been lost before. Her joy, her playfulness. That exact moment, she looks back at me. Previous gimbals would jerk the camera, miss the moment, shake the footage. But now, the gimbal captures it, perfectly stable, perfectly framed. This is the memory I want to keep. This is why creators need this. Watch her jump. The gimbal adjusts height instantly. She sprints away. The gimbal extends its range. She comes close. The gimbal pulls back slightly to keep her in perfect frame. Vertical jump, horizontal sprint, sudden stop. Every single movement is tracked perfectly. The AI learned her movement patterns instantly and is predicting her next move. Without AI pet tracking, I'd be manually trying to follow her, looking at the screen, adjusting the joystick, missing moments, getting frustrated, shaky footage, wasted takes. But with AI, I'm just present, playing with my dog. The gimbal is handling the camera work. I'm experiencing the moment. The gimbal is capturing the moment. That's the fundamental.